Welcome to Montierra, apartment home number 7822. This is our Laguna floor plan, which is a 1,069 square foot dual master apartment home. It is on the second floor with 16-foot vaulted ceilings and skylights in the living room. It has a wood burning fireplace as well as central heat and air, a separated dining room. The kitchen has ample cabinet and counter space, including a pantry at the end of the kitchen. The apartment home has nice large windows for great natural light. And being a dual master floor plan, it has 2 bedrooms that are 17.5 by 12 feet, which is large enough for a king-size bed and more. Each master bedroom also has a walk-in closet with built-in shelves and a mirror, as well as a bathroom located within the bedroom. On the other side of the living room, we find the other bedroom. Again, 17.5 by 12 feet. Vaulted ceilings also in the bedrooms. And lastly, out on the balcony, there is a locking laundry room with a full-size side-by-side washer dryer. This apartment home number 7822 is overlooking a beautiful courtyard and is close to community amenities such as the pool, sand volleyball, and tennis courts. Again, thank you for visiting Montierra, apartment home 7822.